Hello everyone, welcome to Seldom India classes. Today we are starting grade 8 mathematics. Linear equation in one variable is the chapter that we are going to discuss today. We are using NCERT book here. So let's get started. Okay. So starting with the chapter's name, what are equations? What is the difference between equations and expressions? Expressions are such that x plus 1, 2x, y plus z, 5x plus 7, and equations are with equality sign. For example, 5x equals to 25, 3x minus 2 equals to 1, 2y plus 5 by 2 equals to 17. So these are equation and expressions. The difference is the equality sign. Okay, x, y, z that we are using here are the variables. Okay, these are called the variables. But in this chapter, we are going to deal with only one variable. Restricting the power of variable to 1, we are restricting the power of variable to 1 to form a linear equation. When the power of variable is greater than 1, the equation is non-linear. X plus 1 equals to 5 is linear equation and x square plus 1 equals to 6 is non-linear equation. Okay. Now solving the linear equations. In a equation x plus 1 equals to 5, we have a right hand side and a left hand side, correct? A left hand side LHS and a 5 is right hand side, that is RHS. And this equation holds true for some values of x. Okay, if when we solve the equation, we get some values of x for which the equation is true. These are called the solutions of equation. Or solutions of equation कैसे निकलेंगे? Through some mathematical operations. For example, x plus 1 equals to 5, we will subtract 1 from both sides. Okay. Now what we have is 1 से 1 गया. So x equals to 5 minus 1 equals to 4. So this is the solution. This is the solution. And how we get the solution? Through some mathematical operations. Okay. So this is the way to solve an equation. Okay. Perform some mathematical operation and get the solution of the equation. Okay. We'll solve some example. We will solve some examples to get through it. Okay. We will now we will solve some examples. Okay. Y plus 3 equals to 10. Y plus 3 equals to 10. Same thing we will do. We will subtract 3 from both sides. If I do something on both sides, it will not affect the equality sign. Okay. If I subtract 3 from this side and this side also, then the equality sign will exist because we are performing the mathematical operation on both sides. Okay. So यहाँ 3 से 3 गया, y equals to 10 minus 3, 7. Okay, this is how you solve an linear equation. Moving to our next example, 3 by 7 x. See, 3 by 7 plus x divide equals to 17 by 7. Now to solve this equation, we will multiply both sides by 7. Okay. 17 by 7 into 7. So 7 से 7 गया. इसको अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 3, 7 कट जाएगा पहले. ठीक है. प्लस 7x equals to 17. Okay. So 3, what we have now is 7x plus 3 equals to 17. Now subtracting 3 from both sides, 17 minus 3. So 7x equals to 14 and x equals to, moving it to denominator, 14 by 7. So x equals to 2. This is the solution of this problem. Okay. Now moving to our next problem. This is 1.6 equals to z by 1.5. 1.5. Now we will solve this problem by cross multiplication. Z equals to 1.6 into 1.5. Performing the multiplications. 33 carry 8, 6, 1. So 0, 4, carry 2. And point after, decimal point after two numbers. So z equals to 2.4. Okay. Now some applications of linear equation. Applications means word problem. In this applications means word problem. You have to read the question carefully and form equation and then solve it. You have to read the word problem carefully and form an equation and then solve it, okay, and get the solution of the problem. Okay, so let's read the question. So let's read the question. If you subtract half from a number and multiply the result by half, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? Okay, so first, suppose the number, let the number be x. Okay. Now, subtract half from a number. Subtract half from this number and multiply the result. Multiply the result by 1 by 2. You will get 1 by 8. Okay. Now, multiply half inside. X by 2 equals to minus 1 by 4 equals to 1 by 8. Okay, now multiply the whole equation by 8. 8 into x by 2 minus 1 by 4 equals to 8 into 1 by 8. 8 से 8 cancel. Okay. इसको अंदर मल्टीप्लाई किया 8x by 2 minus 8 by 4 equals to 1. Now 2 से 8 कट जाएगा 4. 4 से 8 again तो 2. So 4x minus 2 equals to 1. 4x equals to 2 plus 1. So x equals to 3 by 4. Okay, this is the solution. So the number is, what you will write an answer as, the number is 3 by 4. Moving to our next question. The question is, the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? Now, for a rectangle, we have two lengths and two breadths. Okay, and the perimeter, the formula to calculate perimeter is twice of L plus B. Okay, now let the breadth is equals to x. Okay, length will be 2 meter more than twice the breadth. So twice the breadth is 2x plus 2. Correct? Now putting the values in formula, 2x plus 2 plus x. This is length and this is breadth, equals to 154 meters. Okay. Now 3x plus 2 equals to 154. Adding the x term, okay, writing the number as it is, okay. Now multiplying 2 inside. 6x plus 4 equals to 154. Correct? Now 6x plus 4 minus 4, subtracting 4 from both sides. 6x equals to 150. 4 se 4 cancel and 154 minus 4 is 150. So x equals to 150 divided by 6, that is 25. So breadth we get is 25 and length is 2 into 25 plus 2. Okay, so 50 plus 2, that is 52 meters. Okay, so the answer of this problem is 25 meters and 52 meters. Don't forget to write the unit. Okay. The next question is the sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. Okay. Now consecutive multiples of 8. How we will find consecutive multiples of 8? For example, the numbers are 8, 16 and 24. These are three consecutive multiples of 8. How we get them? 8 into 1, 8 into 2, 8 into 3. Okay. So here we don't know the multiples. So we will suppose them as x. Okay. So first multiple of 8 will be 8x. Second will be 8x plus 1. Correct? Third will be 8x plus 2. Okay. Substitute x equals to 1. You will get 8 into 1, 8 into 2, 8 into 3. So these are three consecutive multiples of 8. Now sum of these multiples 8x plus 8x plus 1 plus 8x plus 2 is equals to 888. Okay. Now solving the equation, multiply 8 inside, 8x plus 8 and 8x plus 16. 8 into 2 is 16. Okay. Equals to 888. Now add the 8 terms. We have x terms. We have 24x plus 16 plus 8 is 24 again equals to 888. So 24x equals to 888 minus 24. That is 864. 24x x equals to 864 divided by 24. That is 3108 can and 3 से किया तो 36. So x we get is 36. Okay. So the first multiple of 8 is 8 into 36. Second is 8 into 37. And third is 8 into 38. These are the solutions. Okay. Answer is not 36. Answer is 8 into 36, 8 into 37 and 8 into 38 because they have asked about the multiples of x. Okay. So 8x, 8x plus 1 and 8x plus 2 will be the answers. Okay. Now moving to our next question. Three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4, they add up to 74. Find these numbers. Okay, so whenever there is consecutive, always suppose let the numbers be x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Now take them in increasing order and multiply them by 2, 3, 4. 2x, 3x plus 1 and 4x plus 2. They will add up to 74. according to question. Now solving the equation, 3x plus 3, 4x plus 8 equals to 74. Now adding the x terms, 9x plus 11 equals to 74. 9x equals to 74 minus 11. Bringing 11 here, the sign will change to negative. Okay, 9x equals to 74 minus 11 is 63, and x equals to 63 by 9, that is x equals to 7. So the three consecutive numbers will be 7, 8 and 9. Okay, this is the solution. Now, moving to our next question. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denomination rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2 is to 3 is to 5. The total cash with Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakh. How many notes of each denomination does she have? Okay, now here we have the ratio of the notes. Okay, so what we can do is we can take number of 100 rupees, 50 rupees and 10 rupees notes as 2x, 3x and 5x respectively. Okay, we can take this number of 100, 50 and 10 rupee notes as 2x, 3x and 5x. How we get it? From this ratio. Okay, 2x, 3x and 5x. Now, value of 100 rupee note, 2x into 100. Okay, number of notes into the value of each note, that is equals to 200x. Similarly for rupees 50, 3x into 100. So 300x. Oh sorry, 3x into 50. So 150x. Correct? And rupees 10 notes, 5x into 10, so 50x. Okay, multiply number of note with value of each note. Now they add up to rupees 4 lakh. 150x plus 50x. Add all the values and write the total amount, 4 lakh. Okay, add the x terms. What we get is 400x equals to 4 lakh. Correct? So x equals to 4 lakh divided by 400. Cancelling them will give us x equals to 1000. Okay. So the number of 200 rupees notes is, number of 100 rupee note is 2x. So 2 into value of x is 2000. I should clear this all. So the value of x that we got is 1000. So number of 100 rupee note was 2x. So 2 into 1000, 2000 notes of 100. Okay. Similarly, rupees 50 was 3x. So 3 into 1000. So 3000 notes. Okay. Rupees 10 notes were 5x. So 5 into 1000 is 5000. So Lakshmi has 2100 rupees notes, 3050 rupees notes and 5010 rupees notes. Okay. Now solving equations with variable on both sides. This variable can be on RHS and LHS both. Okay. Suppose we have 2t plus 5 equals to 3t plus 4. For solving such questions, always move variable to left hand side and the numbers to right hand side. Okay, this will solve the problem easily. Okay, what is the question? 2t plus 5 equals to 3t plus 4. Whenever we are transposing positive sign to some side and negative sign to some side, the positive sign will become negative and the negative sign will become positive. So 3t here is positive, so here it become minus 3t, and 5 is positive also, so it will become negative. So minus t equals to minus 1, or minus minus will cancel, t equals to 1. This is the way of solving this problem. Moving positive sign to either side, it will become negative, and negative sign to either side, it will become positive. Okay. Next question is 2x minus 3 equals to x plus 2. So moving x to left hand side and numbers to right hand side, we will get x equals to 5. Okay. Now the next question is 2 by 3y plus 1 equals to 7 by 15y plus 3. Okay. Now moving the y variable to left hand side, y terms to left hand side. Okay, 3 minus 1. Now taking LCM of 3 and 15, we will get 15 here, 10y here minus 7y equals to 2. So 3y by 15 equals to 2, or y equals to 2 into 15 by 3. 3 से 15 को कट करो 5. So y we will get equals to 10. How we find out LCM of 3 and 15? We will write the prime factors of 3 and 15. Okay, the prime factor of 3 is 3 and 15 is 3 into 5. Take the highest term of each factor. 3's highest term is 1 and 5's highest term is 1 also. 3 into 15 will give us, 3 into 5 will give us the LCM. Okay, this is the LCM of 3 and 15. Okay. Now the next question is 8x plus 4 equals to 3x minus 1 plus 7. Solving the equation, first solving the RHS to simpler form, multiplying 3 inside, we have this 8x plus 4 equals to 3x plus 4. Okay, 4 here, 4 here. Okay, now move the x term to here and the numbers to here. 8x minus 3x equals to 4 minus 4. Moving the positive 4 here will change the sign to negative. So 5x equals to 0 and x equals to 0 is the solution. Okay. Now moving to our next question. These are some applications of variables on both sides. Read the question carefully and try to form the equation. Amina thinks of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8 and the result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? So let the number be x. Okay, subtract 5 by 2 from it and multiply the result by 8. Now the result obtained is 3 times the same number, 3 times x. Okay, now multiply 8 inside, 8x minus 5 by 2 into 8 equals to 3x. Cancelling. 8x minus 20 equals to 3x. moving the x term to left hand sides and the numbers to right hand side. So 20 sign will change to positive and 3x sign will change to negative. So 5x equals to 20, and x equals to 20 by 5, that is equals to 4. This is the solution. Okay. Now moving to our next question, a positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new number becomes the twice of other new number. What are the numbers? Okay. Let the number be x. Okay, let the first number be x. So the second number is equals to 5x. Okay, now adding 21 to both the numbers. Adding 21 to both the numbers, this number will be twice of this number. Okay, this number will be twice of this number. So 5x plus 21 will be twice of x plus 21. Correct? Now solving the equation, 5x plus 21, 2x plus 42, multiplying 2 inside. Now take x terms to left hand side, 2x, 42 minus 21, and the numbers to right hand side. 5x minus 2x is 3x equals to 21, and x equals to 21 by 3. So x equals to 7 and 5x equals to 35. So the two numbers are 7 and 35. Correct? Now next question is Shobo's mother present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? Okay, so let Shobo's age be x. So Shobo's mother's age will be age equals to 6 times Shobo's age, that is 6x. Okay, now Shobo's age 5 years from now. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be x plus 5, correct? Will be 1/3 of his mother's present age, 1/3 of 6x. So 1 by 3 divided by, multiplied by 6x. So cancelling here, we have x plus 5 equals to 2x. Move the x terms to left hand side and numbers to right hand side. Minus x equals to minus 5. Minus a minus cancel. X equals to 5. So Shobo's age is 5 years and mother's age is 6 into 5, 30 years. Okay, so this is the solution. Now moving to our next question. Half of the herd of a deer are grazing in field and 3/4 of remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. And the rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Okay, so number of deer equals to x. Okay, number of deer grazing equals to x by 2, that is half. Okay, number of deers playing 3/4 of remaining is x by 2. Okay, half are grazing and half are remaining. So 3/4 of half is 3/4 of x by 2 are playing. Okay, and number of deers drinking equals to 9. Okay, The sum of all these three, x plus 2 plus 3 4, x plus x by 2 plus 9 equals to x. Okay, this is the total number of deer. So x by 2 plus 3 x by 8 plus 9 equals to x. Adding x terms, x plus 2, 3x plus by 8 minus x equals to minus 9. Move the x term to left hand side and numbers to right hand side. Okay, multiply them by 8, both sides by 8. What we get is 4x, 8x by 2, 24x by 8 minus 8x equals to minus 72. We are multiplying 8 by both sides. Okay. Here cancelling it 4x, cancelling it 3x minus 8x. So 4x plus 3x minus 8x equals to minus 72. Correct? 7x minus 8x equals to minus 72. Correct? Minus x equals to minus 72. Cancelling the negative sign. Cancelling the negative sign, we have x equals to 72. So number of deers is 72. This is the answer. Okay. Now next question is Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Okay. Find their present ages. Okay. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. So let the son's age equal to x years. Correct? Aman's age. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. Correct? 3 years. Now, 10 years ago, 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. 10 years ago, their age will be x minus 10 and 3x minus 10. He was 3 minus x 10. Aman's age was 5 times his son's age. Okay, now solve the equation. 3x minus 10, 5x minus 50. Move x terms to left hand side. 5x 10 minus 50. Correct? Now minus 2x equals to minus 40 and x equals to 40 by 2, x equals to 20 years. So son's age is 20 years and Aman's age is 3x, that is 3 into 20, 60 years. Now the next topic is equations reducible to linear form. Equations reducible to linear form is some equations are given like this. You have to perform some mathematical operation and convert them to linear form. 8x minus 3 is 2 into 3x. Correct? Now we multiply this 3x with 2 and move the x terms to right hand side. 2 into 3x is 6x and moving it to left side will change its sign. So 2x equals to 3 and x equals to 3 by 2. What we have done here is 8x minus 3 by 3x equals to 2. In starting, this doesn't appear as linear equation. Okay, we will just perform some mathematical operation and convert them to linear. 3x into 2. Okay, 8x minus 3 equals to 6x. Now move x terms to left hand side, equals to 3, 2x equals to 3 and x equals to 3 by 2. Correct? Now next question is 5x plus 4 divided by 7x plus 4 equals to 3 by 4. Cross multiply 4 into 5x plus 4 equals to 3, 7x plus 4. Okay, 20x plus 16 equals to 21x plus 12. Move the x terms to left and the numbers to right. So we have minus x equals to minus 4 or x equals to 4, cancelling the negative sign. Okay. Next question is 0.25 f4f minus 3 equals to 0.05 10f minus 9. So multiplying 0.25 inside, we will have 1 f here, 0.75 equals to 0.5 f minus 0.45. Okay, move the f terms to left hand side. 1f minus 0.5f equals to 0.75 minus 0.45. Here we will have 0.5f and here we will have 0.35. So f equals to 3.5 divided by 5. Correct? F equals to 3.5 divided by 5. We will remove the decimal signs. We will remove the decimal points and f we will get as 0.7. Okay. The next question is the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8 if the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1. The number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the rational number. Okay. So let the numerator be x. Okay. तो डिनोमिनेटर क्या होगा? डिनोमिनेटर x plus 8 हो जाएगा. ठीक है. If the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 by 2. Now solve the equation. X plus 17 divided by x plus 7 equals to 3 by 2. Cross multiply, perform cross multiplication. 2x plus 17 equals to 3x plus 7. So 2x plus 34 equals to 3x plus 21. Move the x terms to left hand side and the numbers to right hand side. Correct? So minus x equals to minus 13 or x equals to 13. So what we get as numerator is 13 and the denominator is 13 plus 8, that is 21. So the answer is 13 by 21. This is the rational number. Okay, I hope you understand the chapters and the ways to solve the linear equation. If you have any query, you can post your question in the comment sections and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.